Di ba? Okay. Again, good morning everyone. Welcome to the video conference. The two contact IDs, namely contact ID number 26 GFH 01. Supply and delivery of and fuel assigned to construction section, planning and design section, maintenance section, and quality assurance section. The DPWH Katanduan is DO for second quarter CY 2026 and their PR number 2026, the 04, the 023 dated 4/20/2026. Number 2, contract ID number 25 here, H30, supply and delivery of furniture and fixture, office supplies, IT consumables, janitorial, electrical supplies for the second quarter CY 2026 for use in the DPWH Catanduanes District Engineering Office, San Isidro Village, Velang Catanduanes, and their PR number 2026, the 04, the 024 dated 4/20/2026. For the attendance, back secretary, please.
Attendance for today's privy conference. We have our back chairperson, Joy Agnes Esnachor,
Present.
back vice chairperson, Rosana Ticamat, provisional member, Agnes Di Cabrera, provisional member and user, Jennifer Sarmiento, head back secretariat, Serpiano present, head back PWG, Ruel Garces, member, back secretariat, Hilary May Gaston. Representative from the implementing section, we have Russell Brian Rosas, Morena Pisope. Based upon the attendance, there is a vote.
One for the presentation of contract ID number 26 CFA 01, supply delivery of descended and billet, fuel assigned construction section, planning design section, maintenance, quality assurance, the delivery is SDU for second quarter 2026. So, yan, request the supply officer to discuss details regarding contract ID 26 CFA 01.
Ano mo lang siya, baka naman siya na may
Sige, okay.
Google Meet siya.
Sige.
Good morning. I will discuss now contract ID 250803. Supply and delivery of furniture and fixtures, office supplies, IT consumables, janitorial and electrical supplies for second quarter CY 2026 for use in DPWH Catanduanes District Engineering Office and City Village, Bulacan, Catanduanes. Composed of furniture and fixtures in amount of 64,770, office supplies 755,996, IT consumables 2,532,250 pesos, janitorial supplies 164,060 pesos, electrical supplies 89,640 pesos. The total amount of 3,606,716. Ang fund source po under RA 12116 GAA FY 2025 extended.
For contract ID 25/8/30, supply and delivery of furniture and fixture of supplies, IT, consumables, editorial, electrical supplies for the second quarter CY 2026 for use in the DPWH Catanduanes District Engineering Office and Civil Village, Velang Catanduanes, and their PR number 2026 04 the 024 dated 4/20/2026. contract location, DPWH Catanduanes. Description of goods to be procured, supply and delivery of furniture and fixture office supplies, IT consumables, and janitorial and electrical supplies. Approved budget for the contract is 3,606,716. Source of fund, 525 R812-116 extended, regular 2025 continuing, under engineering overhead. For the supply and delivery period within 30 calendar days upon receipt of the notice of receipt, and the cost of bidding documents is 5,000. Next contract ID number 26 GFH01. Supply and delivery of diesel fuel assigned to construction, this planning, design section, maintenance, and quality assurance section in the DPWH Catanduanes District Engineering Office for the second quarter, CY 2026, under PR number 2026-04-023, dated 4/20/2026. Location is DPWH Catanduanes District Engineering Office, and is Village, Iraq, Catanduanes. Description of goods to be procured, supply and delivery of diesel and additive fuel. The approved budget for the contract is 4,043,500. The source of fund under FY 2025 R812-116, regular 2025 continuing appropriation, and FY 2026 R812-D14, current MOOE, under SR 2026-03-002266, dated 3/10/2026. The delivery period will end 90 calendar days upon receipt of notice to proceed, and the cost of reading documents is 5,000. For the details of contract ID 26 we have Mr. Brian, Engineer Brian.
Good morning. I will be discussing about the contract ID 26EFH01 with the contract name supply and delivery of diesel and unleaded fuel assigned to construction section, planning and design section, maintenance section, and quality assurance section at the DPWH Catanduanes District Engineering Office for second quarter CY 2026. The following are the item description, quantity, and unit. Item 1, diesel fuel 23,291.88 liters. For unleaded fuel 7,500 liters. The approved budget for the contract is 4,043,500. The fund source is fiscal year 2025 RA11116 regular 2025 continuing, and fiscal year 2026 RA11231 fiscal 2026-03-002266, dated March 10, 2026.
That ends our video conference. The submission may be done manually, must be duly received by the secretariat at the Deliveries Catanduanes District Engineering Office, San Deliveries de la Catanduanes, on or before May 12, 2026, until 10 a.m. The opening shall be on May 12, 2026, 10 a.m. at back office, Deliveries Catanduanes District Engineering Office, San Isidro Village, Vera Catanduanes. Bids will be open in the presence of the bidders' representatives who choose to attend and address above. The bid shall be accepted.